guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BIMPEAKINLAYO. If this is your first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button. So this vlog is very short. It's just a beach day date with a family friend, so it's like a family outing, and we're already on our way to the beach. As you can see, the kids are ready. They're already taking their nap prior to the beach, so they're just chilling at the back and they're just doing their thing. And now we are at the beach. Everybody's ready to have fun. You can see the kids playing around. They're ready to get dirty. So we at this point we already got settled at the beach, had something to eat, and we are all ready to have fun and play. Yeah.
Don't get your hair wet. You having fun?
At this point, I just let grandma do her thing while I enjoy the waves from the beach and the water. It was so relaxing, so cool with the weather. It was hot, so it was really a good idea to come out at the beach and just enjoy the freshness, the earth, the sand. It was so relaxing, very relaxing. Something I would do over and over again with my family. And here is my sister, my bestie, my BFF, my partner in crime. Baby girl, I love you so much. So we were here, my family and our family just came to hang out. We brought out the kids to have fun. It was nice. It was a little nice beach day outing, and sure I didn't regret it. She was feeling herself. She thinks she could swim. Nah, lie. About to swim in it. Anyway, at this point, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I know it's been ages since I posted, but I'm trying so hard. My bucket is full, my hands are full. I'm trying so hard to come up on here. So I just decided to show this little piece out here of how my Sunday went. This was on Sunday. That was on the 7th of August, and it was a date. Yep.
Spending his mind in the bank. I like what I see. A boss like you need a boss like me.
Hey, okay. I don't know what I was doing, but I was just chilling out doing some Snapchat, and that is our Zaddy right there. You see that glasses? He's a big man. When you see him, beat him, okay? So at this point we were all rounded up and on our way back home. You guys see that a ship was trying to cross over on the Bay Bridge, and the bridge was open. That was so cool, though we didn't see the ship that was moving, but hey, it was a nice little experience to see how the beach bridge goes up, but we didn't get to see how it close, but it's alright. At this point we were already on our way heading back home. At this point, the video is getting to run up. Don't forget to give this little tiny video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, support. If you enjoyed this video, share this video, like, subscribe, share my link. That's how to make this thing grow. Encouragement. I need some encouragement for you guys. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down if you enjoyed this mini tiny vlog right here. Bye for now.